How's your day? Welcome back to Science Lesson for P4 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today we are going to have a new lesson. We are going to discuss Chapter 6 about sound. So friends, are you ready for the lesson? Let's start. In this video lesson, you will focus on the lesson A, how sounds are made. So friends, can you take a look for your pupils book, page 126 until 129. Here I will tell you the learning goal for our lesson. You will investigate how sounds are made when things or air vibrate. In this lesson, you also learn vocabulary such as sounds, vibrate, tuning fork, source, and voice box. The first question, have you been to a concert? So, here I will play a video of a concert. Can you take a look for a moment? Okay, now, how did the music travel from stage to you? So, here, the music traveled from the instruments through the air to your ears. Now, friends, can you stretch a rubber band? Pluck the stretched rubber band and take a look. What happens? Do you hear a sound? One more time. When the rubber band is plucked, it moves quickly or vibrates and makes a sound. Sounds are made when things or air vibrate. We can make things vibrate and produce sounds in different ways. These include plucking, hitting, blowing, or shaking. So I have another thing here, friends. For example, the prongs of tuning fork vibrate and make sounds when we hit them. So this is the tuning fork. Okay, so I have another fact. We are a source of sound too. So, can you think of which part of our body vibrates to make sounds when we talk or sing? Right, our throat. So, to find out, touch your throat here while you are talking. Do you feel your throat vibrating? So when we talk or sing, the vocal cords in our voice box vibrate and make sound. So here, the voice box is part of our throat. Now let's recap what you have learned for this topic. Sounds are made when things or air vibrate. Plucking, hitting, blowing, and shaking are some ways to make things vibrate and produce sounds. The vocal cords in our voice box vibrate and make sounds when we talk or sing. So, friends, is my explanation clear for you? Thank you so much for paying attention to this video. See you on the Zoom, friends. Bye!